Hello and welcome to the RF Return to Fitness programme. The aim of this 12-week programme is to provide you with a series of exercises, runs, warm-ups and cool-downs that will gradually improve fitness levels and prepare you to safely attempt the RF fitness test. This is a home-based programme. It requires no equipment and has been designed by Royal Air Force physical training instructors to meet the needs of all fitness levels. This programme will also be supported with a number of educational videos designed to provide you with science-backed knowledge across the physical and nutritional realms of human performance. Prior to undertaking any aspect of the programme, ensure the area around you is safe to use and clear of obstructions. You should be free of injury, healthy, hydrated and well recovered prior to attempting any aspect of the programme. Please ensure you follow the current government guidelines in regards to social distancing, outdoor training and hygiene. Finally, these sessions are provided as a guide only and therefore you undertake the programme at your own risk. For any further guidance or questions on this programme, please speak to your local PEDFlight who will be happy to help.